Guys, we back with another video.
So make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on notification bell.
So today I'm going to show you guys what I got for Mother's Day. So I'm going to start with some gifts from my children. I got this from my 4-year-old. And I got this from my 10-month-old.
He's sleeping peacefully.
Yes, he's sleeping right now. There he is.
Knocked out.
And my daughter got me a lot of gifts.
But I'm sorry that I got paper on it because I didn't have no wrapping paper.
She wrapped them in paper.
I didn't have no wrapping paper and I didn't want to use Christmas.
Very creative. I'm gonna tear it up, man.
Huh?
I'm trying not to tear it up.
It's not the good. It's something because I know you like to draw.
Oh, girl, you didn't. Lay it down.
Because I didn't have it. My mom likes to color, so I got it. It's okay because he's not going to color the back anyway. But if you want to color it, you can.
Oh, goodness. Boo. She got me this little Be Mine wooden board to color.
Yep, because she likes to color.
And then she got me.
No, that one is a good one. Let's save that one for last, because that's. But you can open whichever way you want to. So, you guys.
Girl, you glued this one down. Oh, you didn't glue the paper to the thing.
But I needed some tape, but I didn't have any.
Happy Mother's Day, love, Jamia. So cute. It's a picture of her.
Then we just cut ourselves out. And
Oh, it looks like she's holding a flower. Holding a heart.
yeah, heart. The last but not least.
Thank you, daughter.
Welcome.
I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it.
Then I got her 2 more gifts. This one is easy to open because it's paper, so I made sure not to put too much. Okay, just leave some paper on it so you don't rip the card, okay? But
You just don't tell them what it is before I can show them, huh?
I had to use paper because it was
The way you tape and glued it, you didn't have to glue it like this. But that's okay.
I made sure to not glue that one too hard.
Happy Mother's Day. This is...
Okay, you can look at those ones.
She wrote some words in there. It says, I am who I am because of you. Every day you make my world brighter, Mom. Sending you lots of love today and every day. You deserve to be celebrated daily, Mom. There's not a day that goes by when I'm not thankful that you're my mother, Mom. Love, Jamia. And there's a rose and a heart in there. And then the back says, Happy Mother's Day. Oh, baby woke up.
The stinky one.
Hi, Bubba.
He's probably hot.
Okay, and these She also got me something in here. That's not really a gift. I don't know why she did that.
But I thought it would be good because that's what they post.
Oh, I love this one. This is really cute. Happy Mother's Day. I love you so much.
And those are all her gifts.
Handmade gifts from your kids are always the best gifts. They put so much thought into them, so they're very special. So now I'm going to show you what I got from church. So I received these beautiful flowers. So now I'm going to show you guys what I got from church, my other gift. I had to stop the video and make my baby a bottle. He was hungry. So, like I was saying, I have this little book and it says, rejoice in hope, be patient in tribulation, be consistent in prayer. Romans 12:12. And then it says Bible, has Bible study notes where I can write my little notes and things in there. I have a bookmark. It says, for a special mom, it takes many special qualities to make a mom like you. A lot of love and kindness and understanding too. Can you make sure you don't fall out of there for me? It came with a pen. It says, faith does not make things easy. It makes them possible. Luke 1:37. Promises for mothers. And then there's just a lot of words in there. I'll have to read over that. Moms are amazing. And no mom is more amazing than mine. Happy Mother's Day. And my kids. So that is all of my Mother's Day gifts, and yeah, comment down below. Let us know what type of content you like to see from us. We're new to this and we're just trying to get the hang of it. So we'll be back with another video later. See you next time. Bye, Jamia.
I'll try to see you.